Finding the right parts for your equipment can be challenging. Use interactive manuals on Online Express to make it easy. With interactive manuals, you can visually identify the parts you need and add them directly to your cart. Now, we'll do a deeper dive on more ways to find the right parts. There are several ways to find a manual, including searching by serial number, model number, or part number and text. Today we'll start with a serial number search, since it's the quickest and most accurate way to find the correct manual for your machine. Simply type in the serial number and click the correct manufacturer. Next, choose the section of the equipment your part is located in. Looking for specific engine information? Choose the appropriate engine manufacturer, enter the engine serial number, and access available manual. You can also navigate to your manual with a menu tree. Start by selecting the brand, equipment type, series, and model. Then choose the manual that matches your machine's serial number range or product variant code, also called PVC. Some diagrams contain multiple serial number breaks because machine components can change during production. Be sure to choose the breakdown that matches your machine so you're viewing the correct parts. You can hotspot and click directly on a part in the illustration. The matching item is automatically highlighted in the parts list. You can also use the tabs at the top to select the correct part number. These options make it easy to identify the correct part and add it to the cart. You can also look for specific components by using the filter choice or search in model options to quickly locate diagrams by keyword instead of browsing through every section. Please note, you will still need to know your serial number. Once you've identified the parts you need, simply add them to your cart. You can continue browsing other sections and add additional parts before placing your order. If needed, you can also print the diagram and parts list for reference. Online Express makes parts ordering simple, accurate, and fast, so you can keep your equipment up and running.